The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Kho Tộ is one of the most beloved dishes in the Vietnamese home cooking repertoire. The name tells the whole story. Kho means fish. Kho is the technique of braising in a savory sweet caramel sauce, and Tộ refers to the clay pot in which it is traditionally simmered. Catfish is the classic choice. Its firm, fatty flesh holds up beautifully to a long, slow braise, and actually improves the more time it spends soaking up the mahogany-colored sauce. The defining element is N-MISCC-MIU, a bittersweet caramel made by melting sugar until it nearly burns, then arresting the process with fish sauce. The result is a glossy, lacquered dish that balances salty, sweet, and deeply savory notes in every bite, served over steamed jasmine rice. Citation https www.foodnetwork.com Recipes Spood Network Kitchen Kho Tộ 14073005 Citation https Cereal Seats Comatom Rim Vietnamese Braised Shrimp Recipe 7127 Main ingredients: catfish fillets cut into thick slices 1 1/2 pounds, oil 2 tablespoons, fresh ginger root peeled and grated 1/2 in piece, caramel sauce, sugar 2/3 cup, fish sauce 1/2 cup, shallots thinly sliced 8 shallots, freshly ground black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Garnish: coriander leaves, sprigs, to garnish, to serve. Steamed jasmine rice as needed. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps 1. Prepare the fish. Cut the catfish fillets into thick, even slices about 1 1/2 to 2 inches wide. Thick slices hold together better during braising and absorb the sauce more evenly. Pat the fish dry with paper towels. Dry fish browns better and releases less moisture into the sauce. 2. Prepare the aromatics. Peel a 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger root and grate it finely. Set aside. Thinly slice all 8 shallots. These go into the caramel sauce and provide a sweet, aromatic backbone that mellows as it simmers. 3. Gather and measure the caramel sauce ingredients. Before starting the caramel, have all ingredients measured and within arm's reach: the sugar, fish sauce, sliced shallots, and black pepper. Caramel moves quickly once it begins to color, and you will need to act fast. There is no time to measure once the process starts. Tip: the Kho technique depends on NICC-MIU. The sugar is cooked until it nearly burns. This bittersweet depth is what gives the dish its signature mahogany color and complex flavor. Work in a well-ventilated kitchen, as the process can get smoky. Citation https c.wa Food Network, Com Recipes Food Network, Kitchen Kho Tộ 14073005. Cooking steps. Step 1. Make the caramel sauce. Heat the sugar in a skillet over low heat, stirring constantly. After 3 to 5 minutes, the sugar will begin to melt and caramelize, turning a deep amber color. Remove from the heat immediately and carefully add the fish sauce. It will sputter, so stand back. Return the pan to medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Simmer uncovered for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until it reduces into a thick, glossy syrup. Add the sliced shallots and black pepper, mix well, and remove from the heat. This yields about 2/3 cup of sauce. Step 2. Sear the fish. Heat the 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet over medium heat. Add the catfish slices and stir-fry gently for 2 to 3 minutes, turning carefully to avoid breaking the pieces until the fish is lightly browned on the surface. Step 3. Braise in caramel sauce. Add the grated ginger and the prepared caramel sauce to the fish. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer uncovered for 5 more minutes, spooning the sauce over the fish occasionally until the fish is cooked through and the sauce has thickened to a sticky, lacquered glaze that coats each piece. Remove from the heat. Step 4. Garnish and serve. Transfer the fish and sauce to a serving platter. Garnish with sprigs of fresh coriander leaves and serve immediately with steamed jasmine rice.